candlestick details. Now candlesticks are made of body, either black or white, with an upper and a lower line. The real movement in a day is shown by the real body of the candle, that is, open and close, because that's what was the real movement. The high and low is not the real movement because it never closed above it. Now the high and low are shown by the lower or upper line and is known as shadow or wick. If the day closed higher than its open, then the body is usually hollow or unfilled. And if the day closed lower than its open on that day, then the candle is filled or solid. So solid usually means minus, like trading. It closed negative. And like hollow means it closed positive. In this scenario, the open price is up and close is on the bottom. That is, if it's falling. A black candle means minus day, whereas a white candle means a higher close. Therefore, the color represents something and can be changed to show the movement. Sometimes if you look on the TV, you will see charts showing green and red. And as you know, green is usually for upward movement and red is for the negative movement. So it's simple. You can change the color if you like. If the high or low of the day is same as open and close, then the shadow or low line will not be present. That is, let's say it closed on its high, then the upper shadow or upper line or upper wick won't be present. So if you see with a candle without an upper wick or a lower wick, it means that it closed on the high or on the low. If there is no, let's say if closed in green, it closed higher and there is no low, then it means whatever it opened on is the low. We will discuss it in detail in the next chapters. In trading, the trend of candlestick chart is critical and is shown with colors. So you have to understand what the real trend is. If the trend is up, you will definitely make money. If it is down, then you will only make money on short selling. So that's what candlestick details are. Thank you.